Good afternoon, Chet Porter with MarineMax in Savannah. Just listing this 2018 27 Sea Ray Sun Deck. The boat's in great shape, powered by 300 horsepower Mercury Verado. Cushions are in good shape. Bow table here. Also has the windlass system and a freshwater wash down up front, so you can wash off your anchor. Storage throughout up front here. The boat was kept in a dry stack storage facility. Also has a Garmin GPS. Nice head compartment, upgraded head compartment. It does have the bow cover and cockpit cover. Storage throughout all of these areas here in the cockpit. Your battery switches here. In the stern we have large storage compartment. This goes forward to the bow area so you can access skis and whatnot, and then this compartment can store an anchor or any other storage facilities that you might need. Also, this boat has a freshwater wash down here in the transom and then a stereo remote control. So give us a call. This 2018 Sea Ray 270 Sun Deck. This is Chet Porter with MarineMax in Savannah. Thank you.